flying like gremlins. Our 2023 SEMA Person of the Year began his remarkable journey by establishing a thriving aftermarket business straight out of engineering school. His proprietary technology for high-performance fuel enhancement and stability. His relentless determination and competitive spirit propelled his startup to global success.
Absolutely, and this guy is no stranger to the SEMA stage, receiving numerous industry awards and accolades. His dedication to the industry is exemplified by his roles in Yin as select committee member and LaunchPad task force chair. He has also been chair and chair-elect of ETTN, and he is an active member of the SEMA PAC.
In 2014, he won the SEMA LaunchPad competition. In 2016, his business was named SEMA Exporter of the Year, and not afraid to put himself to the test. No big deal. He placed fourth place in the Baja 1000 Pro class.
That is very impressive, but it's not just his accomplishments that define him. It's his unwavering determination to achieve his goals and his reputation for extending a helping hand to anyone in need, and he's always got such a positive attitude. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in celebrating this year's Person of the Year, Ian Lehn.
Ian Lehn. Who knew? Who knew?
We did.
Huh?
We knew.
Oh, we knew. You know, just...
Congrats.
Saw him last night, coming out of the bathroom, his hands all wet. I said, how you doing, man? He said, I'm doing great. Ian, how's the rugby game going, man?
You're sore.
I'm sore all the time.
Ian, congratulations, dude.
I think Josh is still playing a joke on me right now, to be honest.
Gotcha.
Here comes Ashton Kutcher. You're being punked.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
I'm only standing up here because of
Yeah.
so many people that have helped me along the way. The Marla Moores, the Jesse Combs, the Doug Evans, the Joshes, the Ron Cole. I mean, I'm only here because of everybody that's helped me along the way since LaunchPad. I don't know how I deserve to be up here. It's the biggest honor I could have ever. I thought LaunchPad was cool. I'm losing it right now.
Good, man. You should, and that's a testimonial to how much you put into it and people acknowledging your hard work.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much. This is incredible.
Absolutely. Congrats.
Dude,
Congrats.
you're a shredder, man. I mean, again, you know, all these faces out here, and you know, Alex, thank you for joining me up here. Josh, and like, this is awesome. Like I said, I saw you yesterday. I'm like, don't say anything.
Did you know?
Duh, we've been doing rehearsals.
Oh my God, man.
Yeah. I was like, hey,
So
good to see you. Are you coming to the banquet tomorrow?
Oh,
Yeah. He's like, oh, my back hurts.
I thought you were just being nice.
No.
All right.
No, but let's hear it again for Ian Lehn, please. But Ian, Josh, don't go anywhere because, my man, how we doing over there? Ricardo, we good? Do you have some? Like, what you got? What is that? What?
Oh, man.
What? Who? Why? Ricardo,
Oh my God.
The head's
send
not
it.
big enough.
Send it. It's a massive head. Hey! Look at this guy.
Not only an award,
way.
but a picture.
You really got a big head,
No
Ian. Now
way.
you really got a bigger head.
I do not have that good of a jawline, to be honest. But thank you.
No, what? No, wait. There's more. Look. No, look at the painting.
Oh my. Thank you for all the sponsorship help this upcoming year from Can-Am, if you're in the crowd. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Dude, congratulations
Thank you.
again.
Absolutely.
What a great way to celebrate him, right? So, hey, again, what a way to kick off the program.